his right hand. I swear to God, you lie. In front of this court. You'll be hauled off the spooky trail immediately. Do you accept this?
What it is.
High prosecution, you may question the witness.
So, how long have you known DeAndre?
Oh, I'd say it's since 2016, 2017. I'm sorry, 2006, 2007. So that's been longer than I should have.
So, you've known him for a very long time.
Yes, a very long time.
Has he ever shown any tendencies in the past of bitch-assness?
Well, I do have to say there has been several instances of that.
Several, huh?
Well, yeah, he's told famously stories about him freaking out about spiders, spiders on the roof of his car, his mom's car. And, I've seen it myself several times when we have been walking on the property here, encountering a spider web or something, and he like jumps and runs away. A couple of times we were walking down the trail. He just decided to nope and turn around and come back. And this is why we actually named that trail DeAndre Shackelford Spooky Trail. It's the full name of the trail because he's scared of going down it.
Okay.
I mean, those are a few instances.
On the night in question, what happened?
Okay, we were standing around we were at the campfire, several of us, and DeAndre decided to pull out some, like, busted-ass old fireworks. So I knew it was destined for trouble right away, because these looked like they were in a garage for, like, 6 years. So he lit some Roman candles. He put one...
Hey, hold on.
Yeah.
Are you in the court? Are you paying attention? Okay. I'm just asking. Go ahead.
So,
Don't respect the judge.
as I was saying, he was decided to pull out some Roman candles and light them, sort of forced one into my hand and said, "Here," and they were barely functional. They were barely
Objection,
operable.
Your Honor.
On what grounds?
Yeah, there was no force of fireworks into the hands. Is there any proof of forcing fireworks into his hands?
Overruled since it is first-hand testimony, he can, assuming he is following his oath to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
This is from my perspective. I mean, it's not like I'm not saying he threatened me to do so. It's just kind of one of those things. I wasn't really that interested in shooting old ass fireworks, but do you want me to proceed?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
go ahead.
So the fireworks were barely functional. A couple of them dudded out and misfired and barely poofed out. I think, I believe mine I was holding, it might have been an 8 or a 10 shot Roman candle. And we lost count at some point. It stopped. And I just decided to throw it in the fire pit, which was already alit with a big fire. And that was when, the incident happened.
So what happened?
Well, after about 30 seconds to a minute of just nothing from that Roman candle, it just decided to shoot off its last shot. And it just fired into the pit, not out of the pit, and made a crackle sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what was DeAndre at the time?
DeAndre was standing real close to the fire pit, as was I. We were kind of like on opposite sides. And I think James was out there as well.
Okay.
And I think James and I just noticed the crackle, didn't pay much of attention to it. But DeAndre reacted differently.
DeAndre reacted differently. Was he holding anything, or did he have anything?
Yeah, we had just refilled full drinks. He had a full Jack and Coke.
How important is a drink to you?
Well, we're at the cabin. There's not ready access to alcohol, so yes, I mean it's important. Every ounce of alcohol at the cabin is very important.
I mean, it's as important as a baby, right?
Oh, I mean that's subjective, but very important to all of us.
Is it true?
What was his-
store? There's a liquor store 30 minutes away, right? No objection.
Say again?
That's what we say that liquor's not readily available, but it's 30 minutes away at a liquor store we drive by. So.
All right, well, defense will have an opportunity to
Cross-examine.
cross-examine when the prosecution's done.
So, How did he react?
Well,
Wait. How did you react? How did you react?
As I stated, James and I, we gave it. We may have noticed the crackle, but it. I don't think it even broke our conversation at that point. So we just didn't pay it much attention.
Yeah.
Didn't react at all.
Didn't react.
Mr. DeVay, I'm gonna have to ask you to make sure your phone is turned off, or you'll be held in contempt.
Throw him in jail. Just throw him in jail, Judge.
Yeah.
Okay.
Quiet.
So, how did DeAndre react?
Well, he reacted very differently. Immediately, as soon as that Roman candle went off in the fire pit, he sort of just jumped very quickly. Like I don't know, it was a quick motion, like a runner coming off the blocks is how I would describe it. And in fact, it was so quick and rapid that I almost had to. He got out of my peripheral for a second, and as I turned to try to follow, I saw him laying out, diving with a quick motion.
He's lying. He's lying.
I'm gonna have to ask the defendant to hold his tongue until it's time for cross-examination.
I don't mean to insinuate. I'm just saying I saw him sort of sailing through the air and landing on the ground. Very far. Like the distance away from the fire pit was astounding.
Objection, there's no evidence of lying on the ground.
Okay. I keep the right to recall this witness. But y'all can.
All right, defense can cross-examine the witness.
Okay. So, Mr. Gunsford,
Yes.
you used to have a boat, right?
I have a boat. I had a
You had a
boat.
boat?
Excuse me,
Yeah.
Mr. Hoskinson, I'm going to ask the next time you're in this court that you dress appropriately. Dress appropriately.
From
I don't remember the exact wording of it.
you know what I'm talking
He has
about?
a tie on. He has a button-down shirt and pants.
You ever say, "I'm wearing this for you, my honor."
You may proceed.
The whole town is on. The whole town's on sick leave.
Do you recall
Yes.
my client helping out with getting spiders and other insects and things off of the tarp that was on your boat?
On occasion, there has been one instance, at least, that DeAndre has gone out to the boat with me to help prepare the boat
Can
for
I
launch.
bring the insect over here so we can actually show true evidence?
It's not your turn. He's cross-examining.
Yeah,
You sit.
So that yes, on whenever we go to prep that boat on the dock, there are always spiders in that general area on the tarp and whatnot.
And he has no problem helping eliminate the spiders.
Well, I don't know. No problem. He has a problem with it, but he did help on several occasions. When a spider was encountered, generally I would deal with it. Not DeAndre.
There's been many times, he says.
Yeah, I said it's more than one occasion.
So, would you say that he's scared of spiders?
I know for a fact he's scared of spiders. Yes,
Then why would I keep going?
Yes, then why would he keep going?
because he's a better friend than he is a scared of spider. That's. But he's scared of spiders. I love you, bro, but he's scared of spiders. I mean, that's well established.
Spiders. Put myself in a position. If there's spiders, don't leave me out of position. Sir.
Who's trying to fix?
So,
He can confer with his defense.
Yes, I can.
with the incident out at the fire pit that night,
I object. There's no relevance to this line of questioning.
Well, seeing as he's barely started his question, I'm going to have to overrule your objection.
with the incident, you claim that he hit the deck.
Yeah, he did fall down.
Do you have evidence of him on the ground?
I saw it with my own eyes. James saw it, and
Hearsay.
hold on, and Don saw it.
You saw him.
He
on
didn't
the
see
ground?
him. He didn't see him.
Bailiff?
He didn't see him fall, but he saw him. I thought he saw him on the ground after the fact.
Oh, you can't ask him. He only when he's on the chair.
Okay.
Well, no,
But
he-
I
he
saw
can-
it
he can say
myself.
somebody else
I
saw him.
saw it with my own 2 eyes. He was definitely on the ground. I did get my camera out and I took a few pictures, but by that time DeAndre had stood up.
Okay. All right. No more questions.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.